Taking a look at stock ticker symbol SNWV right now. So this one has a history of making some big moves here. This is 2016 coming off that 20 cents mark. You guys really started that reversal over here with that break of that 2.5. You guys came up here and tested a few times, made a support level, made a resistance level, but finally made its way through there back in February, right around February. Let's see, when did you officially do it? February 20th, you guys did it. But ultimately, if we go ahead and pay attention here, right, coming off of there, just right there, 30-day simple moving average, you guys came back down, tapped that off of those highs of 55, coming back down to 40, 2 days in a row, literally testing it, but still stayed above the 20-day simple moving average. And that right there is showing a lot of strength in this one. But ultimately, at the end of the day here, paying attention to the 6-0. You guys over here ended up closing at 5999. Okay, we'll call it 60, right? The next day over here, the high is 60, the high is 60, the high is 60. And then now pushing down off of there. So 1, 2, 3 days consecutively knocking on the door at the high of the 6-0. Starting to push down a little bit here. You guys are going to have a little bit of support there around that level, around the 57 mark. But ultimately, at the end of the day, we need to pay attention to the main levels here. That's going to be 60, 55, 52, and then 50 down there at the 30-day simple moving average. You're going to need to get that volume to really pick back up to get you guys through that 60, but the bulls are still in full control here, and they have been for a month and a half at least, really solid. So either way, that 60 is going to be that resistance level that we need to watch for. And 5.8, 5.0. Resistance, I'm going to put that resistance at 60, maybe a little bit up off of that, but either way, 60 is going to be the main one. Support underneath this are going to be at that 55, and that's going to be the 52, 53, and then the 50. Watch for a bounce here to 55 to 50. Breakout, in my opinion. All right, so again, watch for a bounce here, 55 to 50. Again, but right now, I would just let this one trade unless that volume comes in and volume to pick up. A break of that 60 could break out again, in my personal opinion, for SNWV. If you guys follow the stock, I encourage you to join investorshangout.com. Check out the link in the description below for the SNWV stock message board. Again, over here on investorshangout.com.